How to find night mode settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find night mode settings on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera and now click this Opera icon here in the bottom corner, and now click this icon settings, and you can find it here, or just go personalization and you can find another one here, night mode. And as you see, it's easy, of course, just enable it if you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.